but you want to go all the way down the Crooked Creek there for a minute. All the way to the bottom. Whew. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it is.
It's bad.
This is holding us up.
Yeah.
Which granted,
I guess you ain't leaving for a while.
We don't weigh nothing, but still.
I guess you ain't leaving for a while then, huh?
We're gonna find out tomorrow. Part of me, I'm afraid of slipping, but I think it ain't quite slippery.
These boots got good traction. I got more than all-wheel drive.
You got two-wheel drive on you right now.
Yeah, and that's better than all-wheel drive right now.
That way we also get a good idea tomorrow of how the gap is.
Do you think this is worse than the ice storm we had?
No, because I don't think it's quite as much as what we had, but we're not done with it yet either.
No.
We could have some more before nighttime, and then by the time nighttime also hits, this is going to freeze over more. Because this is kind of still slushy-ish. So with lower temperatures, it will freeze up.
Like the power lines and all that are still good though.
Actually, I didn't even think to look at that. From this angle, I mean, they don't look bad at all, which is a good thing, but between the freezing rain now and the night and the wind, that might be a different factor.
Oh yeah, the sleet is coming down.
I don't know if that's sleet or freezing rain, to be honest.
Probably both.
Some of it's dry, some of it's wet, so I'm not sure.
Holy crap. It is.
But
the wind
factor, it's the wind that will cut through you.
It makes it probably way worse, like be blowing in your face. Makes it feel freezing and all that.
Any form of exposed skin.
Yeah. So I keep on switching hands.
So I said I can go out in shorts and just kind of weather. Don't bother me the wind. That's the trigger on that one. Because that breeze keeps picking up.
Oh yeah. I'm starting to feel it.
Yep. It's coming from our left. Open field.
And then it'll stop, then it'll start again.
No, we should be. Hold on a minute. Oh yeah, since it's coming from our left, once we get past Geneva and Clifford's house, most of that will stop.
I don't like it. I don't like the wind at all. I want none of it. Spring, please come faster. Or summer, I don't care.
Well, I mean, you can't have summer without spring, so I mean.
You know what, that's a good idea. I want to wait till you slip.
I'm trying to. The road's not slipping, please. Nope.
Fall. Fall. I'm just waiting till you fall on your butt. I may help you up. I don't know. We'll see.
I found a piece that ain't got nothing on it.
I may help you up. I don't know.
In what way do you mean that you might help me?
I'll think about it. Just depends if I feel like bending over to help you up.
Let me put my phone in a different pocket. That way, if I do fall, I'll put it from. I'm not gonna brush it.
Oh my gosh.
Kinda hard to force.
Road's getting worse.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Look at it.
I can't help if you weigh it like a fucking feather.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the way it looked. It's more icy.
That is actually true.
Slip. Oh. I was trying to catch that on
I'll try here.
camera.
I'll try here just see what happens. Well, look at it. If I got enough traction, I'm on a $170-ish.
Yeah.
Big one shouldn't really have much of a problem. It's late.
Hopefully we get out of the way if one of the trucks come through.
I start sliding, here comes the scraper. I'm screwed.
Yeah, no. Okay, yeah, they don't look great.
No, it don't.
Not even the bottom does. I can't really zoom in with this thing, so I don't have an option right now. Hope to do that after the post process. Yeah. This is a rock. That was, I don't know if that was a rock or just ice.
I believe that was a mixture of snow.
Yeah, probably. Huh.
Creek's a little frozen on top.
My bottom is warm, my
Yeah.
top is not.
There you go. Creek's a little frozen on top.
A little.
Oh, then that's cool right there. That is actually kind of cool for you right there.
That is kind of sick though.
So we're only about a half mile from the house.
What?
Okay, they're going that way. They're coming up the hill.
Here?
Track.
Yeah. I gotta keep moving so I don't freeze to death.
Not my fault you did not drink warmer.
Yeah, I didn't know how far. I didn't know how far we were going, to be honest.
It don't matter on that. You're a pansy when it comes to the cold.
Yeah, I am. I'm a wuss. I like my warmth.
When it comes to the cold, me and you are completely polar opposites.
Polar. My worst enemy. Okay, so. I mean, for now.
Yeah. But the thing about, we've got almost the worst of this over with by now. The majority of this, that ain't bad.
Yeah.
It'll just be the freezing aspect of it. What's this, bud? Flush. Not good.
I wouldn't say this part's great, but
Really? Okay. Not what I was expecting to see. Water on the road.
it's a little bit of slush. That's about it.
Now let's walk the Post Brothers.
No. I'm good. We'll end it here.
Yeah, this shit is slow.
Yeah, we'll just end it here then.